So the weather outside pretty much means that we're having a very indoor day today, but I thought what a perfect opportunity to have a little declutter of the wardrobe behind me here, and also a declutter of my desk because it is an absolute mess. So first things first, it is time for breakfast. So breakfast is ready. We have got hash browns, bacon, mushrooms and beans, and it looks and smells amazing. And also a nice glass of orange juice. It's still absolutely chucking it down out there, so yeah, definitely made the right decision to stay in and have a bit of a chore day. But I'm going to enjoy this breakfast, watch an episode of The Simpsons. So I don't know if you can hear, but it is still raining outside. Apparently there's been like 10 centimetres of rain in the last 24 hours. It's been absolutely ridiculous. I have done my hair, I have put some makeup on and got a bit more ready, and I obviously had breakfast, which was delish and definitely set me up for the rest of the day. So I am now going to start tackling the desk. It is looking pretty horrendous. Where I've been on placement for the last couple of weeks, I've just neglected to tidy it at all and have just been adding more and more stuff to it. I've got my birthday presents on here and just loads of other random stuff as well. So yeah, first things first, let's get this desk tidied. As you can tell, it's still belting it down out there. In fact, I think it's actually got worse since I last spoke to you. The desk is now done. I've kept my jigsaw puzzle out until I start a new one, and just my little Lego-y mini blocks bits I got for my birthday, so I can sit at the desk and do them. And of course I've kept all the sweets and lollies out as well, so they're easily accessible. But it is looking probably 10,000 times better than it did, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour ago, however long since I started. So next up is to tackle the double wardrobe. I'm going to empty it onto the bed, which has already got quite a bit of stuff on, just so I think it's going to be easier to get everything out, have a sort through and then put it back in, rather than trying to do it all at the same time. Stack of clothes and your clothes, and I'm just gonna clean out the cupboards, clean out my closet. So all of the decluttering is now done. We literally have like 4 bags of stuff that we've sorted out, and yeah, everything is just looking much nicer and much tidier. So I'll just give you a little look at all of our hard work. Well, the rain has pretty much subsided. It's still raining a bit, but like nowhere near what it has been like all morning. So we are now going to brave going out. It's still chucking it down, but it's also boiling. So I feel really hot with this hoodie on, but it's gross. So I've just sat in this like indoor outdoor bit at uni. I have been doing my like videos and training materials for my first aid course on Friday, so they are now all done. It has finally stopped raining, although it looks grey out there again, so we're gonna go for like a little just walk around and get some fresh air before we head back home. It's starting to rain again, so cutting our walk short and going home. We are now back home and we have got a coffee to enjoy. We're actually having a roast for dinner tonight, so I've just put the chicken in the oven. I've got like a chicken crown, and then in like half an hour or so I'm going to put the potatoes on and make a cauliflower cheese as well. But in the meantime, I think we're going to watch a film. We were going to watch Annabelle Creation the other day and then didn't, so probably going to watch that. So the roast dinner is now all ready and I'm absolutely buzzing to get stuck into this. We are going to watch Aladdin, I think, with our dinner. We started watching Annabelle Creation, but it's kind of like weren't really concentrating. So yeah, roast dinner and Aladdin to, I guess, kind of finish off the weekend. So we're just out, there's Tim, on a little evening stroll just to walk off our roast and to make the most of it now actually finally being dry. It's meant to be like a heat wave after tomorrow, so fingers crossed. So it is now the next day and I realised I forgot, as always, to end this vlog. The weather today is completely different. It is hot, it is sunny, there are clear blue skies, and yeah, I just didn't think that that rain was ever gonna stop and it was ever gonna brighten up. But I really hope that you enjoyed my kind of wet weather weekend declutter, quite a chill vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.